Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I am happy to be bringing you guys some new videos this week. Of course it's holiday season and I wanted to bring some very simple but cute styles. So over the next couple of videos you will be seeing these ones created here that I have done on my girls. I don't know about you all, but for the holiday season I would just want to be relaxing, but I also want their hair to look good. So this first video you're going to be watching today is going to be featuring my little one Chloe, and it's just a very simple style that I done on her hair, and I hope you guys enjoy all the videos that will be coming up this week. So as always, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos, and I will be speaking to you guys very soon.
in the air.